So, Tesla have had what they hoped was going to be a secret crash test that they just committed. But what happened here, and why are the US safety regulators investigating this supposed secret crash? I got everything you need to know here on themotoringchronicle.com as always, guys, because, yeah, never a dull moment at Tesla. Something is always happening, and this time they've done something potentially illegal. Let's have a look. The US National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, is reviewing whether Tesla violated federal regulators by conducting a secret crash test that was not officially reported. Regulators are scrutinizing a video posted online showing a Tesla Model 3 undergoing a frontal crash test at the Transportation Research Center in East Liberty, Ohio. The footage, which was originally posted by the YouTube channel Wham Bam Tesla Cam, that's a great name for a channel, I must say, raised questions about whether the test was concluded without informing NHTSA, a possible breach of federal vehicle safety rules. The NHTSA spokesperson Veronica Morales confirmed the agency is aware of the test and is gathering information from Tesla to understand the purpose. She added that if Tesla fails to report the test, it could face consequences ranging from civil penalties to a vehicle recall, depending on the findings. The video, shared in June, shows a Model 3 colliding with a barrier at speed, followed by aerial drone footage and audio commentary suggesting that it was a clandestine test of Tesla's new crash safety structure. Observers have speculated that it relates to Tesla's updated unboxed vehicle platform, part of a future manufacturing overhaul. Tesla has not issued a public response or commented on the nature of the test, rather unsurprisingly. Under US law, automakers must report certain safety tests and outcomes to regulators, especially those related to vehicles already in production or nearing release. Failure to do so may constitute a violation of federal safety regulations. This inquiry adds to the growing list of federal investigations Tesla is currently facing, including multiple probes into its autopilot and full self-driving features. And Tesla have one or two cases going on in the civil sphere as well. Of course, they're being sued in France for effective loss of reputation, a bit of a defamation suit in a sense. They've obviously got them lawsuits going on in Texas as well. They haven't paid their electricity bills or their supplier costs and stuff like that. Yeah, just one of many things really going on with Tesla. But basically, I mean, is it not a black and white issue here? I mean, you might say that there's too many regulations here, but if they've not reported the findings of this test and not reported this test was going to happen, and that you have to do that, it's the same rule for every car manufacturer, is it not? So why did they think they're going to get away with this? It seems pretty cut and dry to me, guys, but let me know your thoughts on this in the comments below. Should Tesla have had to report this test? Why did they keep it secret? You'd think if they were trying to keep it secret, I'm not saying they should have done this, but you would think if they were trying to keep this secret, they wouldn't post a video online. I know it's from a different channel, but you probably would have kept that under wraps, surely. But anyway, I'll leave that to them and you guys in the comments below. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of this, and have a fantastic day wherever in the world today, guys. And head over to themotoringchronicle.com as well. Plenty of articles going, all kinds of news stories, advice, and everything in between on the world of cars.